Hello everyone, Namaste. मैले भर्खरै यो बुक पढेर सकाएँ. So I thought I should share some of the beautiful insights from this book. Ikigai भनेको जापानिज कन्सेप्ट हो which means the purpose of life or the reason for being. नेपालीमा भन्नुपर्दा जीवनको उद्देश्य. I really enjoyed reading this book and I think you should not miss this book if you haven't gone through this book because this book talks about finding the reason to wake up every single morning. This book reminds us to live with a purpose. Since it is a self-help book, this book teaches us the way of life. So you should definitely try this book. Today, I want to share 5 concepts that I like the most from this book. Number 1 is the Ikigai itself, the purpose. This book helps us reflect on our purpose of life. Even if you are lost, unsure, or uncertain about your purpose of life, this book will definitely help you discover what truly gives meaning and joy to your life. Number 2 is The Secrets of Anti-Aging. This book talks about how the physical and mental exercises, healthy food, stress-free lifestyle, and social connection help slow the aging process and contributes to a healthy and happy life. Number 3 is the concept of Hara Hachibu. I really like this concept of Hara Hachibu. So Hara Hachibu is a Japanese practice of eating until you are 80% full instead of overeating. So overeating ले चाहिँ मान्छेलाई थर्सिक हुन्छ, लेजी हुन्छ अनि लेस प्रोडक्टिभ हुन्छ भन्ने कन्सेप्ट हो. यो हाम्रो नेपाली समाजमा पनि त धेरै नखाऊ, अलिकति पेटमा अलिकति स्पेस बाँकी राख भन्ने चलन छ हैन. इभन योग फिलोसफी also talks about मिताहार, सन्तुलित र संयमित भोजन for a healthy body and a calm mind. So I really liked this concept of Hara Hachibu. Another concept I really like from this book is the concept of wabi-sabi, which teaches us to appreciate the beauty in imperfection. लाइफमा च्यालेन्जेसहरू आउँछ, चेन्जेसहरू आउँछ, कम्प्लिकेसन्सहरू आउँछ हैन. They are part of human experiences and growth. So we need to appreciate the beauty in imperfection. भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यो wabi-sabiले चाहिँ सिकाउँछ. सो मलाई यो कन्सेप्ट पनि एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो. And last is the concept of movement. This book also emphasizes on the importance of movement for a healthy and a long life. Gentle practices like yoga, tai chi, qigong help improve the physical and mental health. So this book talks about the importance of movement as well. This book does not talk about fancy and unrealistic ideas. Instead, this book talks about the very genuine and the realistic ideas that can help improve our way of life. So मलाई चाहिँ यो बुक एकदमै मन पर्यो. यो बुकले चाहिँ लाइफमा पर्पसको कति इम्पोर्टेन्स छ भन्ने कुरा बताउँछ. पर्पस लाइफमा कहिले पनि सकिनु हुँदैन. लाइफमा सधैँ पर्पस चाहिँ भइरहनु पर्छ. इभन प्लान्टिङ अ ट्री क्यान बी अ पर्पस अफ लाइफ. सो पर्पस ठुलै हुनुपर्छ भन्ने छैन. सानो सानो कुरा पनि पर्पस हुनसक्छ हैन. इफ यु आर इन योर रिटायरमेन्ट फेज देन यु सुड डेफिनेटली गो थ्रु दिस बुक. किनभने रिटायरमेन्ट भनेको चाहिँ पर्पसको एन्ड होइन रे. लाइफमा सधैँ पर्पस चाहिँ भइराख्नुपर्छ रे. Purpose can be anything that you love. Purpose can be anything that you are passionate about. So even gardening, teaching, volunteering, planting a tree can be a purpose of life. So मलाई यो बुक एकदम राम्रो लाग्यो. 100 इयर्स बाँच्नुमा त त्यति इम्पोर्टेन्ट छैन हैन. 100 इयर्स पनि कसरी हेल्दी र ह्याप्पी भएर बाँच्ने, कसरी हाम्रो वे अफ लाइफलाई इम्प्रुभ गर्ने, कसरी हाम्रो ह्याबिट्सहरूलाई इम्प्रुभ गर्ने भन्ने कुरा यो बुकले सिकाउँछ. कसरी स्ट्रेस फ्री भएर चाहिँ लङ लाइफसँग बाँच्ने भन्ने कुरा यो बुकले सिकाउँछ. त्यही भएर मलाई चाहिँ यो बुक एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो. अनि दिस इज अ भेरी स्मल बुक. यु क्यान फिनिस दिस बुक इन 2-3 days. सो त्यति धेरै ठुलो पनि छैन. सो यु क्यान गिभ अ ट्राई. थ्याङ्क यू सो मच.